Here's how to make the Alkaline stuffed portobello mushroom. Just one mushroom, and you can obviously times it by however many you want to do more. So you're going to need one large portobello mushroom, cap gently cleaned and stem removed. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, just for cooking the onion and garlic. 1/2 a small onion, finely chopped. 1/2 a small garlic clove, minced. 1/4 a cup of cooked quinoa. So cook that first, is the first thing you do. 1/4 a cup of fresh spinach, which I'm going to chop, which is there. 2 tablespoons of raw cashews, which I've already soaked for about 4 to 6 hours. So it says soaked for 4 to 6 hours, then blended with water to make a creamy cheese-like consistency. So that's what's going to make it cheesy. 2 tablespoons of raw cashews. 1/4 a teaspoon of thyme, fresh or dried. 1/4 a teaspoon of basil, fresh or dried, and a pinch of sea salt to taste. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, in a blender, combine the soaked cashews with a small amount of water, about 2 tablespoons, and blend until smooth and creamy. Add a pinch of sea salt and blend again, set aside. The best I can get it is about that consistency, sadly, because I'm cooking for one, which means it's not a big batch, so my food processor can't actually properly blend it to like a cheese consistency, but I'm not too worried, it'll still taste the same. Next, you're going to need to heat 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and saute for 3 to 4 minutes until soft and translucent. Then add the minced garlic and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant, and then stir in the chopped spinach and cook until wilted, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, in a mixing bowl, combine the sautéed onions, garlic, spinach, cooked quinoa and cashew cheese. Season with thyme, basil and some sea salt. Adjust the consistency by adding a little extra cashew cheese or water. Now you need to stuff the mushroom. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees C. Place the portobello mushroom cap on a baking tray, gill side up. Spoon the quinoa and cashew cheese, filling generously, into the mushroom cap, pressing down gently to pack it in. Now bake the mushroom. Bake the stuffed mushroom in a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the mushroom is tender and the filling is heated through. Serve. Once baked, remove the mushroom from the oven and serve immediately as part of your Christmas dinner plate. Or if you just want to scran it on its own, not for Christmas. Now enjoy. If you want to see how to make any other healthy Christmas food, have a look at the playlist on screen now.